Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to test out this Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G on this new and latest i-Blason cases. So let's go ahead and take out the phone real quick. So this one looks like a misty bronze color. You want to match up the hole on the side first, and then press the other side in. Wait, this one might be, sorry guys. The one on the left hand side, this is Samsung Note 20. The one on the right hand side is Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. I was like, what? Too small. So on the side, you got the nice clear silicone rubberized material. And then on the backing, you got this marble looking mosaic design. So if you have the misty bronze color, that will match it with this top frame and also on the backing, okay? And you guys probably wondering, what about the raised camera? So it seems like there's a little hum right here still, although this is to protect your camera lens right here. This raised lip right here. Let me see if it's still gonna be wobble. So yeah, the case will be wobbling because of the camera lip right here, okay? So overall, it's looking very nice. And this is a Cosmo series. And there's a cutout for your stylus, your speaker grill, USB Type-C charging port, your microphone, and then your up and down volume rocker, and then your power button. It's pretty tactile. And then on the top, you got this additional microphone right there. And you have this raised top and bottom lip, in case you put the face down like that. It's not gonna scratch your screen, okay? So in order to remove it, you need to separate on the corner. Make sure it's out the lip, because the silicone is grabbing on the top of the frame right there. Just make sure you use your finger nail to go around it. And all you need to do is just raise it up and make sure there's nothing grabbing it. And you want to remove the one that's without no buttons. Because Jerry rigs everything, saying this button you can pry out, so you don't want to accidentally pull this out, okay? And then let's try on this Aries black. Match the button first. And this one has a clear backing with the little accents of those gray accent right there. Make sure to tap and tilt the angle, and then click on the lip, and then just press down firmly on both sides, and then on the bottom. And that's it. So yeah, this one also has a raised lip right there to give you extra protection for your camera, flashes, lens. And then the buttons. You can hear that pretty tactile. And this is by i-Blason right here. Their branding logo right there. Microphone, USB Type-C, your grill, and then your stylus. And your upper microphone. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.